Welcome back, Class 2, in third session of EVS. Time to celebrate. In this session, we will learn more about our festivals. Children, do you know about seasonal festivals? People in different parts of country also celebrate seasonal festivals. Seasonal festivals are generally considered as festivals that celebrate a particular season. Seasonal festival is also known as harvest festival. Our next seasonal festival is Basant Panchami. In this festival, we worship goddess सरस्वती, जिन्हें विद्या की देवी भी कहा जाता है. बसंत पंचमी marks the onset of spring. We wear yellow colored clothes, offer yellow flowers to gods and apply yellow turmeric tilak on our foreheads. Children, बसंत पंचमी के दिन येलो कलर को ही मान्यता दी जाती है. Different regions celebrate Basant Panchami in different ways. In Bengal, people worship goddess Saraswati on this day. In Punjab, people traditionally fly kites on this day. Children, do you know which festival is Pongal? This is another seasonal festival of India. Pongal is a 3-day festival celebrating the harvest season in Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated in January every year. People worship the sun god, the rain god, and the cow. On the third day, people prepare a special sweet dish known as Pongal rice with jaggery and newly harvested rice. Children, the next important seasonal festival is Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala in August or September. King Mahabali is worshipped on this day. Decorated elephants are part of the processions that are taken out. Onam is famous for the snake boat race. The snake boat race tells us that the people in Kerala are highly culture oriented. They have a high respect for their culture and worship. It tells about unity, strength, and discipline among people of Kerala. The famous dance forms of Kerala are also on display during Onam. Our next important seasonal festival is Bihu. Do you know, children, where Bihu is celebrated? Bihu is celebrated in Assam in spring, autumn, and winter. Bihu dance is a very important part of this festival. This festival celebrates the various stages of the farming process. लोहरी की लख लख बधाइयाँ. Which festival is this? Yes, Lohri. Lohri is the festival of Punjab. It is celebrated on January 13 every year. Lohri is the festival that is mainly related to harvesting of the crops. People light bonfires, sing folk songs, and dance. Gur, ravioli, peanuts, and popcorns are eaten with joy around the bonfire. Lohri is believed to be a symbol of new beginnings. Children, in India, there are so many places of worship. So, let's discuss about them. Every religion has different places and ways of worship. Some people pray in their homes, while others go to different places of worship to pray, especially on religious holidays. Some people may go to a place of worship every day, while others may go only once a week. Children, have you ever visited temple? Which community worship at temple? Yes, Hindus pray in temples. The priest is known as the pujari or pandit. People offer fruits and flowers as prasad to gods and goddesses and light lamps and incense sticks. Mosque. Muslims go to mosque to offer namaz. Namaz means prayers 5 times a day. The Quran is the holy book of Muslims. मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी में एक दिन में 5 बार कुरान पढ़ी जाती है. The place of worship of Sikh community is Gurudwara. The Sikhs sing verses known as Gurbani from their holy book, the Guru Granth Sahib, in Gurudwaras. Guru Nanak Dev, the first of the 10 Gurus, was the founder of Sikhism. Next place of worship is church. Christians go to church to offer prayers. The founder of Christianity was Jesus Christ. Christians go to the church every Sunday for a special prayer service. The Bible is the holy book of Christians. Now, children, we will do some exercise to know what we have learned. Write names of any 2 seasonal festival. Basant Panchami and Lohri. Write the name of 3-day festival celebrating the harvest season in Tamil Nadu. Yes, Pongal. On which festival do we worship goddess Saraswati? Yes, Basant Panchami. Now, children, this is your home assignment. Write 5 lines on my favorite festival in your textbook. Children, With this, we have completed our chapter. Hope you all have understood about our celebrations. Read the chapter to understand it properly. Thank you.